Hello students, welcome to banking classes. Dear students, in the previous video we have discussed about opening and operations of accounts. Today I am going to discuss very important concept, that is of nomination. जैसे कहते हैं ना कि हम लोग nominate करते हैं. The Banking Companies Nomination Rules 1985, framed under Banking Regulation Act 1949, facilitates bank depositors to nominate somebody to take care of the deposit when the depositor dies. तो बेटा अगर आपका बैंक में अकाउंट है तो आपको किसी न किसी को नॉमिनेट करना चाहिए, सो दैट आफ्टर द डेथ ऑफ डिपॉजिटर लीगल हियर्स और लीगल रिप्रेजेंटेटिव्स आर एंटाइटल्ड टू रिसीव द अमाउंट स्टैंडिंग टू द क्रेडिट ऑफ हिज अकाउंट. सो बेटा, nomination is an authorization given to the banker in writing to pay the credit balance in the account of individual, sole proprietor of the sole proprietorship account to the person specified in the nomination form in case of death of the account holder. ये बेटा मैंने आपको पहले समझा दिया. If the depositor does not leave a valid will when he dies, then in most of the cases the legal heirs raise disputes in sharing the assets left by the depositor. If the depositor nominates a person, the bank is discharged from its responsibilities to the legal heirs by paying the deposit amount to the nominee. Then it becomes the responsibility of the nominee to pass on the deposit amount to his legal heirs amicably without any problem. Nomination can be made by a depositor singly or jointly, as the case may be, in respect of his or their deposits maintained in a bank in India. Nomination can be made in favor of only one individual. Now, if the depositor wishes or wish that deposit amount should go to a minor as the nominee on the date of nomination, the depositor should also appoint another person who is not a minor to take care of the deposit on behalf of the nominee till the nominee attains majority. तो बेटा इसमें क्या हो गया, अगर डिपॉजिटर ये चाहता है कि उसका कोई माइनर उसका नॉमिनी बने, तो उस केस में डिपॉजिटर को एक ऐसा बंदा भी अपॉइंट करना पड़ेगा कि जो लीगल गार्जियन हो माइनर का, एंड ही विल टेक केयर टिल ही अटेन्स मेजॉरिटी. द नॉमिनेशन मेड होल्ड्स good till it is modified or cancelled by the account holder. अब बेटा डेथ से पहले अकाउंट होल्डर हैज द राइट टू चेंज, मॉडिफाइड और कैंसल द नॉमिनेशन. द एप्लीकेशन फॉर्म इज टू बी यूज्ड फॉर नॉमिनेटिंग somebody or making modification or cancellation to the nominations have all been prescribed in the act itself. So beta, this was the legal provision which has to be kept in mind by the bank in case of nomination. So dear students, in the next video we will discuss about KYC requirement, money laundering and objectives of money lending. Thanks.